Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 Volvo XC60 SUV, 3.2 liter, 6-cylinder. This one is all-wheel drive, black with off-black interior. Has new tires all the way around. Equipped with leather seats. Both right and left seats are power and they are heated, and they have like a red stitching on them as a nice touch. Has automatic climate control, premium sound, rain sensing windshield wipers, panorama moonroof. So look at the back seat. Has parking sensors in the bumpers. Very handy feature. There's the rear compartment, lots of space. And it has the partition. Back seats fold down. Nice leather. The driver's seat has a 3-position memory. You also have steering wheel controls. This has a factory Bluetooth. Runs and drives excellent. Very safe vehicle, economical, and very nice styling. Thanks for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this XC60 Volvo.